Hello. Hi. Oh. The Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Raven. If you guys don't know, I live in Dallas, Texas, and I'm a full-time Pilates master teacher trainer. And as most of you know, I also just recently appeared on Love is Blind. Today, I figured I would do a quick little Q&A while I unbox all of these goodies that I have here that I really have to unbox. Let's answer some questions. Here we go. I asked you guys questions to send me on Instagram, and I saved a few of them and wrote them on my computer. So let's see. The first one, how tall are you? I get this all the time. People are like, oh my God, you look so tall on the show. This girl, I'm pretty sure this is not how you open this box. This girl the other day was like, girl, when I was watching you on the show, I was like, I know she's tall because she got a tall girl attitude. And I was like, yes, I do. But to answer the question, I'm only 5'3". Really like 5'3.5", but I'm only 5'3". I'm short as fuck. Look how cute this packaging is from Beach Bunny. Fun fact, I literally like pretty much only wear Beach Bunny swimsuits, so I'm like honored that they would send me these. Let's see. This actually looks so cute. I actually wore Beach Bunny like 2 or 3 times on the show. Oh, and it's my favorite style. Cause she bad. Oh my God, this is actually so cute. Okay, where are you from? That's a good one because I feel like, and I have this bottom too. I'm obsessed with this color. This is gonna look so fucking cute. It's funny because I feel like on the show, they said that I was from Dallas, and I am not from Dallas. I do not claim it. I'm sorry, I love Dallas. Oh my gosh, I saw this on the, oh, okay. This is so cute, it like hooks behind. I cannot wait to wear that. I'm from New Orleans, I was born and raised there. I lived there literally until I was 18, and then I moved for college. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be literally so cute. Yay, Beach Bunny. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Let's do Juice Beauty next. But yeah, I'm from New Orleans. I love it there. That's my city. Like, I'm a NOLA girl forever. What was the casting process like? Okay, the casting process was very interesting. We look forward to working with you. I'm so excited to work with Juice Beauty, you guys. Oh, look at their packaging. Exfoliating peel spray, love it. Peel me off. Y'all know I love skincare. Oh, vitamin C serum, I've been needing some of that. Illuminating primer. What was the casting process like? I saw the flyer on Instagram, and a few of my friends sent it to me just like laughing, like, haha girl, you should do this, like you would be like the worst person but the best person, right? I was like, let me just click on the flyer, click on the application, see at least what it's talking about, right? The first application is like a 15-second video, like answering some random question, and I was like, okay. The next afternoon, someone called me. And then every single day after that, another person would call me. So then it got like a lot deeper into it. And I was like, this is getting a lot more serious. Wow. Then like an actual producer started calling me, and he was like, hey, I'm just letting you know you're really far along in the process. I'm not telling you to give your job notice yet, but I'm just telling you it's coming. But I remember this was around my birthday. This is when I finally told my group of friends at my birthday. I was like, hey, you guys, like this thing I told you about is getting like a lot more serious. What do y'all think? And they were like, well, like if you hear back, are you gonna do it? I'm like, I guess so. And then the next 2 weeks, it kept growing and growing, more interviews. And then they were like, okay, in 5 days, you're coming to LA and filming Love is Blind. And I was like, no, I'm not. And then he just convinced me, and I got on that plane. And that is how I got on Love is Blind. What made you get into Pilates? Food. This is their pasta sauce, which I did not know they had. But like, look how much hot sauce they sent me. Truffle hot sauce. I've been hearing so many good things about this hotter sauce. I love spicy food, like fucking for real. Oh my God, truffle salt. Ooh, not truffle mayo and truffle spicy mayo. So what made me get into Pilates? I never talked about this on the show, but I was a professional dancer for my whole life. Like my dear friend Colleen. We did a lot of Pilates as professional dancers growing up and pre-professional. And to let you know, I hated it. I would always fall asleep on the mat. I thought it was so stupid. I did a lot of yoga growing up, actually. I know you guys didn't see a lot of my mom, but my mom has always like pretty much been really into fitness. I've always like been interested in the gym. And then one summer we would dance all day. And then we would go a few blocks away to our Pilates class in the afternoon at like 5:30. And then I went to college and I did a lot of Pilates. And then I just have done it ever since. So, and then I got certified, but I've always done Pilates, but it took me a long time to love it. So if you don't love it yet, it'll grow on you. How do you stay so healthy and eat clean? I'm drinking wine right now and I literally just ate banana bread. I'm kidding, but discipline. I'm such a disciplined person. Even just starting small with like taking a 5-minute walk every day and then building it up. It's really just about building that discipline muscle. And if you build that, you can apply it to anything. Now we are opening, one of my favorite hair companies sent me some stuff. They're called Bounce Curl. I love them because like their products really work for my hair. I love it because it's a female founded company and I just love a girl boss. So shout out to all the baddies. Last question, do you regret doing this show? I am not a person who has a lot of regrets. I learn from everything. I learn from others. I just think that everything happens for a reason and you should learn from it, and everything should make you a better person. Every day you should wake up a little bit better than the day you were before, just as a person. With that being said, I don't regret doing really anything in my life. I have better hindsight nowadays, right? And I know what I'm looking for now. Oh, I got so much stuff! And this box is so cute. And a little card. Y'all, oh my God, this is the stuff I use. She sent me, she has like the different lines for the different kinds of curls, and this is the one I use for my kind of curls. My favorite shampoo. Y'all, I tell y'all, this shampoo is the truth. So good, doesn't leave your hair like brittle and dry. I noticed that ever since I've like had color in my hair. Like a lot of shampoos just make my hair feel so dry. That one does not. But back to what I was saying, not to avoid the question, I do not regret doing the show. I don't regret anything. I don't regret how I did it. I've grown so much from this experience, and honestly, with how everything's happened and just everything, like, it's all been the biggest blessing, and I know it was all meant to turn out this way. You just want to grow and be better and do better. It's just been the best, craziest ride. So yeah, that's me. Hopefully we can do more of those. That's my last question for today. I think that was like 5 or 6, I don't know. But yeah, of course I have like a ton more questions. If you guys like this kind of thing, I will totally do more of it. So just let me know. Let me know in the comments below, or you can send me a DM on Instagram or tell me on TikTok, wherever. Just let me know more of what you guys want to see. And I'm gonna go put all of my curly stuff away. I'm so excited, and probably go wash my stinky ass hair. Okay, bye, y'all. I couldn't even read it. To be honest, oh my God.